Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive tools with a comprehensive review of the GOOACC 40Pcs trim removal tool set. If you're in need of the best car battery removal tool, look no further. This kit is a car enthusiast's dream, packed with 40 different tools designed to make your automotive projects a breeze. From trim removal to terminal key tools, this set has it all. Whether you're working on your car's interior, exterior, or even marine or aircraft projects, the GOOACC set has you covered. It's perfect for removing panels, moldings, window trims, clips, fasteners, and so much more. One of the standout features of this kit is its construction. Made from impact-resistant nylon material, these tools are tough enough to tackle any job without scratching or damaging your car's paint. With an ergonomic design and lightweight construction, these tools are incredibly easy to handle, saving you time and effort on every project. Say goodbye to struggling with stubborn trim or clips. And when you're done, simply pack everything up in the convenient zipper storage pouch. No more hunting around for misplaced tools. Now, let's take a closer look at what's included in this kit. You'll get 11 trim removal tools, a trim clip removal pliers, a car foil small scraper tool, 2 upholstery fastener removers, 4 precision hook picks, 8 stainless steel stereo removal tools, 11 stainless steel auto terminal removal key tools, a wiring threader, a tightening device, and of course, the portable storage bag. So there you have it, folks, the ultimate solution for all your car trimming needs. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, the GOOACC 40Pcs trim removal tool set is a must-have addition to your toolkit. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and be sure to like, subscribe, and share for more in-depth reviews just like this one. Until next time, happy wrenching!